Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking Easy with Easy, and today I'm gonna be making spaghetti with meat sauce, okay? Alright, here I got some spaghettini. I got some mushrooms, carrots, celery, onion, some tomato sauce, Hunt's tomato puree, and some ground beef. All right. So I added to this food processor is half a carrot, one stalk of celery, and half an onion. Okay, and I blitzed it down to this. Okay, this is how you want it. Okay. Once your water gets hot, guys, drop in your spaghettini. The water is already salted. Okay. I have my carrot, celery, and onion mixture that I blitzed in the food processor. My mushroom that I sliced up. 1 can of Hunt's tomato sauce. No salt added, and some tomato paste and some ground beef right here, okay? I'd say about half a pound, okay? Half a pound of ground beef, okay? Throw in the carrot, onion, and celery mixture, okay? Alright. I'll do that. Well, that's good enough. That's good enough for that. Down just to medium, okay? Don't go too high. Your spaghettini going. Sauce. This sauce here that I'm making is a cross between a bolognese and a meat sauce, okay? In the bolognese, you would have the red wine and vegetable stock, right? Mine is I'm using tomato sauce and tomato paste. No red wine in my recipe. Now we're gonna add the ground beef, okay? Get that all. Heat back up to high. Get this all nice and rendered down, okay? Guys, now in goes your mushrooms. Now we're going to season it with a little bit of salt, pepper, chili flakes, just a little bit. Okay. Put some olive oil to your spaghetti. Toss it up in there, okay? So it doesn't stick together later. Just gonna hang out for a bit here. Also over here, it seems like it's rendering perfectly. Yeah, ooh, nice crispy bits on the lean ground beef. Looks spicy. Mushroom is sweating down nicely. Okay, I'm gonna add one can of Hunt's tomato juice for now. Half can of water. Half can of water. Alright. Okay. Turn the heat down to medium low. You want the sauce to simmer now, okay? This is my setting. You're gonna let it simmer for like 45 minutes, okay? So I just added 2 tablespoons of tomato paste into here. Okay, guys? 2 tablespoons, okay? Low and slow, okay, guys? This is my lowest setting, okay? It's simmering. Low and slow. Oh, the sauce is going to be so good. It's about 25 minutes later. I checked back on it. I re-seasoned it. I added a little bit of salt, a little cracked black pepper. Then my sauce is done, guys. Okay? Cross between a bolognese and meat sauce, mushroom meat sauce, okay? Yeah. Oh, that looks good. Okay, I'm gonna plate it up and I'll show you show you guys how it looks, okay? For spaghetti, this is what I like to do, okay? I like to put some pasta into a separate pan, ladle some of the meat sauce in there, toss your spaghetti in that meat sauce so it's covered, nice and covered, okay? We're not done yet, come on, stick with me now, okay? Plate it. Okay, look at that. Alright. Just a little bit of that. Boil this tomato with this meat sauce on top of this. Okay. Look at that, guys. Meat sauce. Oh my. Guys, that's the final product. It's juicy.